Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to fix last Asylum Play game crashing problem. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and fix last Asylum Play game crashing problem. So first of all, you can restart the game and relaunch it. So you can restart your device to clear temporary system issues, update the game to the latest version, as updates often include crash fixes and performance improvements. You can check your internet connection, so switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network related. Close background apps to free up RAM before launching the game. Clear the game cache, so basically this is only on Android where you can go and do it. I'm on iPhone, so I cannot show you that. On an iPhone, to clear cache, you need to go and delete the game and then reinstall it again. Also, you can free up storage space, keep at least 2 to 3 gigabytes of free space available for smooth performance. Lower your graphics settings if the game crashes during gameplay or large battles. And you can check for system updates on your device. Not the game, but on your device. If none of these things help, you can go to the top left corner, click on your profile icon, then click on settings, and here you have the help center, which you can of course ask for help and see what is happening and why this is not fixing. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.